If you don't like creating content, this might be the smartest way to make money with AI right now. No videos, no posting, no building a personal brand. And no, you don't need to go viral. Because here's the truth nobody tells you. The people making money with AI are not always the ones posting content. They're the ones supporting the people who do. Let me explain. Right now, there are thousands of creators, businesses, and agencies trying to keep up with content, posting daily, writing scripts, editing videos, and most of them are overwhelmed. Not because they don't have ideas, but because they don't have time. That's your opportunity. Instead of becoming a creator, you become the system behind the creator. And this is where AI gives you an unfair advantage. Let's say a YouTuber needs scripts. Instead of spending hours writing, you use chatgpt to generate structured, engaging scripts in minutes. You refine them, make them sound natural, and deliver. Now you're saving them time. And time is what they pay for. Or let's say someone runs a podcast. They need show notes, titles, descriptions. Instead of doing it manually, you use chatgpt to generate everything quickly. Clean it up, send it to them. Done. No content creation, just support. Now let's go even simpler. Short-form video is exploding. Everyone wants to post reels, shorts, TikToks, but editing takes time. So what do? You take raw clips from clients and use CapCut to turn them into short videos. Add captions, cut silence, make it engaging. That's it. You're not the face. You're the engine. And here's the part most people miss. You don't need to be amazing at this. You just need to be consistent. Because most creators don't need perfection. They need output. If you can help them post more, you become valuable. Now let's talk about money. If you charge even $200 per client for helping with scripts, edits, or content support, and you get just 5 clients, that's $1,000 per month. No content creation, no audience, no followers, just simple service. And once you get better, you increase your price. You streamline your process. You use AI more efficiently. And suddenly, what started as something small becomes a real income stream. Now here's where this becomes powerful. Because you can combine everything. Scripts using chatgpt, editing using CapCut, basic systems, and offer a simple package. I help you post consistently. That's it. No buzzwords. No AI automation agency. Just a clear outcome. And people understand that. Now let's be real for a second. Most people watching this will go back to scrolling, watching more videos, saving ideas, but not doing anything. Because this sounds simple. Too simple. But simple is exactly why it works. There's less competition, less complexity, more execution. So if you actually want to make money with AI without creating content, stop thinking like a creator. Start thinking like support. Find someone who is already creating. Help them do it faster. And get paid for it. That's the game. And right now, almost nobody is playing it properly. If you want more simple, real-world systems like this, subscribe to Income Engineering. Because here, we don't chase trends. We build income without overcomplicating it. Now the question is, are you going to keep watching content or start getting paid behind it?